Then children, what happens? That same day, as Defarge was presenting his papers to the authorities in order to enter the central district of Paris, he had some private words with one of the policemen and old friend. So this policeman was his old friend. The policeman told him about a spy. Spy is a secret agent who had been sent to Saint Antoine to find out what was happening there. So a spy had been sent out to Saint Antoine to find out the happenings there. The authorities were nervous about the rumored anger against the king and government there, and wanted to put down any unrest before it got out of control. Now, rumored is that some things which have been in the news but may not be true. Okay, and people must have heard that the public is mad with anger against the king and the government. Therefore, they would be revolting against them. And what the authorities wanted, they wanted to put down means they wanted to suppress the disorder before it goes out of control. Suppresses to do not let anyone raise their head against authority. Defarge later gave a full description of the spy to his wife. His name is Bassett, John Bassett, English, 40 years of age, 5'9", with black hair and dark skin. He has a long nose and a face and close-set eyes. Later that day, when Therese Defarge, please note it down, Therese Defarge, who is this Therese Defarge? Therese Defarge is the name of Defarge's wife, that is Madame Defarge's full name is Therese Defarge, was on her own in the cafe. On her own in the cafe means she was all alone in the cafe. Bassett entered, sat down and ordered something to drink. Now she could, because Defarge had already described the sketch of this Bassett. So she saw the person entered, some newcomer was there, and he entered and sat down and ordered for something to drink. She recognized him at once from her husband's description and put a rose on her headdress. Now she put a rose, that is secretly she put a rose on her headdress to warn the people around, the customers over there. Okay, when the customers saw that all but one slowly got up and left, so that was an indication for the common people over there, all these common people who were sitting in the cafe, to get up and leave from that place. That was a secret, indication to the rest of the customers to leave that place. And all the customers understood it except one, that was Bassett. Bassett sat watching Madame Defarge knitting violently and tried to start a conversation. And you know very well how Madame Defarge was. Madame Defarge had already a very, very violent temperament, okay, and she was knitting with full speed in a harsh way. And if Bassett tried to start a conversation, start a conversation means try to start a talk with her, right? Business is bad. Okay, this is Bassett's word. Business is bad means the business is not running properly. Madame Defarge did not lift her head from her knitting, and she just simply ignored him. The people are poor, Bassett said so. Ah, the miserable people, oppressed as you say. So he says, you cannot say the people are poor, but the people are very poor because they have been ruled over by the authorities. As you say, corrected Madame Defarge. So these are the words of the speaker only. As you say, you over here is in italics, refer to Bassett. Pardon me, yes, it was I, but you think so too, no doubt. That says it's my belief that the people are poor, they're very poor, but even you believe so. I do not think. My husband and I are too busy to think. So that is the answer of Madame Therese Defarge. The people of Antoine are up in arms about the death of poor Gaspard. Up in arms over here means ready to protest for. Up in arms, please note it down, ready to protest for. Now over here I am too busy, my husband and I are too busy to think over here means that both of my husband and I do not have much time to think about all these things. We are busy with our own pursuits of life, right? Pursuits in life. So he says, "Here is my husband." Now, this man must have entered Nifaj, and she says, "Here is my husband." As the keeper of the shop entered, keeper of the shop refers to Nifaj. The spy saluted him by touching his hat and smiling. "Good day, Jacks. You mistake me for another monsieur. That is not my name. I'm Ernest Defarge."